I'm getting a crepe because we found these crepes yesterday, and they are amazing.
啊，对，
吃哪种呀
10个，20块。
So tell me what it is, what it's in it.
What's in it?
Yeah.
Well, it's a crepe, so it's batter, and then she put some egg on it, some green onions, some spices, a couple sauces, and it's 5-yuan, which is about 78 cents US dollar. I like to stick with vegetarian when I'm traveling. It's really good. Oh, and then she's gonna put a crispy wonton in it, and that's the best part. Here it goes. Let's go eat it. It's probably hot. Whoo, it's hot. It's crunchy, tasty. The wonton. I wish I knew how to say it's really good in Chinese, but I don't. It's easy to travel when you don't know the language. Ni hao. Chinese people are awesome. I love this culture. It's one of my favorites. Want some?